Hey there everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link below in my description. It's a group where I do my free weekly calls, and also it's a group where people network, right? As far as I'm in the sellers, so it's a place where people network and hang out and talk about Amazon, right? So yeah, with that being said, this is how I do manual product research for my Amazon business. So I usually open up a link that looks like this right here. And then I usually go to Seller Imp and then I go to offers. I go to offers and then I pick one seller, right, from that offer. So I usually like picking sellers that have 100 or less ratings, but this one would do 155. So I would open up this seller store by clicking on it. And then now that I'm here inside the seller store, right, I would do a reverse search on all these products inside the store, and hopefully I can find the source and hopefully it's profitable. So let's start with this one right here. So what I usually do is I click the Amazon listing and then the Google listing right there. And then what I do is I usually go to Google Shopping. And I like to look at the maximum cost of the product just because it's easier for my eyes to look for the products, right? Oh man, it's so low. Man, I think this one is a mistake. Oh yeah, this one's a mistake because the max cost is like 29 cents, right? I usually like to go for products with a max cost of at least $10. So I would just skip this one right there, obviously. I would try this one then. So again, open up the Amazon listing and then a Google listing. I think it's right there. And then click on shopping, Google Shopping, and then the max cost is $29.98, right? So I would look for the exact same product with a max cost of $29.98, which I think is this one. And wait a second. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So I think I found it. So it's making okay. Yeah, making key midnight ramble. Okay, making key. So this one is so for this one, it's also giving you a 10% off, right, on your order. So I would plug in your email here once you order for you to get the 10% off, right? So let me see, $25. I think I found it. Okay, so $25. Oh, it's above the max cost though. Wait a second. Oh, okay. So let's see. So plug in the number here, right, which is $25, and then I usually like to go to the bottom of the page to look at the other offers. Okay. I mean, man, this one is close. So it's giving you a negative ROI, right? But if you price it higher, it can give you a 10 to like 40% ROI. But I just want to make sure if it's worth doing that. So I would look at the exact sales per month of this product. So this one is selling at 5,381, right? This one is a variation. So I would go down to variation right there. Click the variation and then click on check. Let's see how many sales a month this product is getting. So this one is getting about like 19% or 20% of the sales. So now I would take this number, which is 5,381, right? And then times 19%. So this exact variation is getting sales a month, right? Um, so yeah, to me, this could work out because if I price my product here, right, for example, at 10% or 27% ROI, I think this product has enough sales volume for me to get sales at this price, right? So I think this one is good. It's a little risky because of the negative ROI to like start with, but this could work if you're okay with risking to sell this product at a higher price, right? So there you go. We found one. That's that's pretty good. This one is a high ticket product. It's a $600 product. Let's see. Let's see. This one's interesting because it's a high ticket one. So again, you open up the Amazon listing, and then you go to Google Shopping, and then you look for the exact same product, which I think is this one and this one. Let's see. So Walmart. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, this one's interesting. Um. Yeah, this could actually work. Same product. Okay. So let's run the numbers, right? So this one is $319 or $320. So it's free shipping, so $320. And this would work. Oh. Okay. This should work. So it's giving you a 30% ROI, about almost $100 profit. Sales per month is $23. I mean, I'm sorry, like 23 times a month. There's only one seller on the listing, which is kind of concerning. Yeah, I think this one's a private label product. I'm not sure if I want to take a risk on this because it only has one seller for the most of the year, right? So this could possibly mean that I can't sell this product. Man, the numbers look good though, but I don't think it's worth the risk because it's a high ticket product. I'm going to be risking so much money, right? And then I don't want to be getting an IP complaint on this product. So yeah, it's the exact same product. The problem is it's not really worth risking on this product. But I do hope that you guys got some value from the video. I hope you guys got the point or the steps on how to do manual product research. So again, you guys go pick an Amazon listing like this. You pick a store, right, that you like with, like 100 or less in ratings. But this one would be an exception because it's pretty close. You go to that seller's listing, and then you go, excuse me, you go through the different products. You do a reverse search, and hopefully you find one that you can sell for a store. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And that way you guys can join my group where I do my weekly trainings, and it's also a good place for people to network and hang out with each other with. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.